Subscribe to Technical Facts channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about a new launch smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So Motorola has announced its Moto RAZR 2020 foldable smartphone. This smartphone is like the Moto RAZR we had back in 2004, but with a new edge full screen foldable design. So Motorola phone is a directly competition to the Galaxy Fold by Samsung. Well, we all know how great the concept of foldable design is, right? So it's a technology to the future. It fits right into your pocket, doesn't take much space. You get large display. Well, let's see the specification. It has a 6.2-inch of plastic OLED screen. Resolution is HD++. 5 megapixel of selfie camera. It has a fingerprint scanner. Snapdragon 710. 6 GB RAM. 128 GB ROM. No SIM tray and 2510 milliampere battery. 16 megapixel of rear camera. And the price is $1,500. Well, let's get to the pros. It has OLED screen panel. Resolution is HD plus, which is really good. You can watch Netflix, Prime Videos, Hotstar and other OTT apps in HD plus. It has a great design. Rear camera is good. You can click good photos out there. 6 GB RAM is enough to get your phone do multitask. Well, here comes the cons. Price is too high. Well, to be honest, at this price range, you can easily get a power-packed iPhone 11 Pro. But not sure why Moto RAZR is priced this high. Well, other than this, we don't have a SIM tray, no headphone jack, outdated Snapdragon chip, small battery. Well, I believe in terms of design, Motorola has done a commendable job. But as far as the complete phone is concerned, they could have provided more features. Well, alright guys, that's my time. I hope you enjoyed this video. It would really mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. I'm aiming for 500 likes on this video. So see you all in the next video with some amazing technical facts.